Every home has one area that's walked through every single day yet barely thought about. It's not the kitchen, it's not the living room, and despite its importance, it's often the most overlooked space in the entire house.
Today, we're talking about the most misused area in British homes and how to turn it into one of the most effective.
It's the hallway, the first space you see when you come home, the first impression guests get, and the space that connects everything else. Yet for many homes, it becomes a dumping ground. Shoes, coats, post, keys with no clear purpose. Always are often small, awkward, and lack natural light. Because they're not a room, they're treated as an afterthought. Painted quickly,
Furnished last.
and rarely designed with intention.
But this is exactly why they matter so much.
A good hallway sets the tone for the entire home.
It creates flow. It adds storage without stealing space.
And it instantly makes the rest of the house feel calmer and more organized.
When the entrance works, everything else feels easier. You don't need a full renovation to fix a hallway. Wall paneling adds structure. A mirror doubles the light.
Slim storage keeps clutter hidden, and consistent lighting makes it feel intentional.
Small changes here have an outsized impact.
The biggest mistake is overfilling the space.
Too much furniture, too many hooks, too many decorative items. Hallways need breathing room.
Less visual noise means a calmer entry every single day. The most misused area in British homes isn't small, it's underestimated. When you treat the hallway with the same care as the rest of your home, everything instantly feels more considered, more organized, and more welcoming. Sometimes the biggest upgrade starts right at the front door.